Hello everyone, my name is Shashmi Shri and welcome to my channel Shashmi's World. And for those who are seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel, and if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe. Today's video will be about unboxing of this Tribe Beauty box and do a small review of the products what we have received in this month's box. This is a bi-monthly subscription box. We get it once in every 2 months. It cost is $34.99 US dollars. For shipping to US it's $4.99, and if you're staying in Canada then the shipping is right now at $6.99. If you're staying in Toronto and you can go to downtown, then you can go and collect this box from their warehouse and then just avoid paying the shipping. They ship Tribe Beauty box to UK, South Africa and one more country. I'll provide all the details in the description part of this video. Tribe Beauty box is owned by 3 ladies, and this is a Toronto based company. Yay for Canadian subscribers that we got another Canadian subscription box. So about Tribe Beauty box, as I said, this is once in every 2 months. They recently wanted to increase their social media presence, and they were searching for PR. They selected me to be an ambassador for this beauty box. Thank you, Tribe Beauty. And for that reason, they gave me a 40% off. I got this box for $21 US dollars. Thank you so much. They gave me a code for my subscribers. So I'll put down all the details in the description part. So if you are planning to get Tribe Beauty box, then you'll get a 10% off. I'll put all the details down in the description part. And let's get started with the unboxing. See, the packaging looks so cute. It's with all those 3 ladies. I think they kept that in the mind and kept it on the box. And with all the beauty products like this compact, this lashes, lipstick, mascara, brushes, powder, moisturizer and whatnot. So the packaging is very cute. I like it a lot. And it comes, it comes in this way. I'll show you. So there's it's written get social, don't forget to share your box, pictures, unboxing videos in Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So over here it's written, hello gorgeous, we hope love your box. It would mean the world to us if you could help us grow the brand. Sure. It's a very nice box. I've already opened it. Today's look I created using some products from this box. So if you want to see how to get this look, then follow me on Instagram because this video will be on my IGTV. Here we have a description of all the products which we received in the box and their price along with it. So we'll keep it aside and we will start with this one. This is Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Infused with vitamins, essential oils and botanical extracts for a brighter, more even skin tone. So this is a facial oil. Okay, this is the facial oil. This is cruelty free and vegan. I use this. It's a very dry facial oil. It's very watery. Doesn't feel like oil. Moisturizes very nicely, but it feels more like an essence. There's no oiliness to it. It's a very dry facial oil, if you can understand what I'm explaining. No stickiness to my skin, no greasiness, and just smells very nice. So this is a very nice facial oil. I have oily skin. I don't usually gravitate more towards facial oil because there's a conception in our mind that we are oily skin and if we use more oil then we'll have sebum, more breakouts, but that's not the thing. It's a very dry oil. I used it today and I felt my skin felt very nice using this. So I'll use this up. The second product from this box is this Wonder Beauty Dive-In Moisturizer. It's a 50 ml. So basically what we get is 4 to 5 full-size products in this beauty box. It's a full-size product. The moisturizer looks like this. The moisturizer also looks light pink color, same as that bottle. The moisturizer is very moisturizing. It doesn't have any strong smell to it, so if you have sensitive skin, you can go ahead and use it. It's very moisturizing. To the next product is a set of 4 brushes. This is our crown brush, and this is for our eye makeup. Basically, I used all this for my eye makeup today. I did my eye makeup using these brushes and the palette, which I'll show you next. What I felt about these brushes, I didn't like this brush a lot. I felt it was a little rough on my eye. Nonetheless, they blend well, they did everything they're required to, but I felt it to be a little rough on my eyes. So next we'll move on to the eye palette we received in this month's box. The eye palette which we received in this box is from IBY Beauty, and it's their City Limits palette. This is inspired by the spectacular sights and sounds of music festivals. This palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented blendable shades infused with rose-seed oil for skin protecting properties. Skin protecting properties. It's a mauve tone palette, and you can see I enjoyed using this palette. So let's get started on how the palette looks from inside and I'll show you the swatches also. I didn't swatch all the shadows, I just used whatever color I have used that. The rest of the palette is like that, unswatched. I'll swatch all the shades for you. So from inside also the palette looks like this. City Limits written over here and IBY Beauty on the down. Inside there's a mirror, and here are the 12 shadows. So basically for my eye makeup what I did was I used this matte shade and this light shimmer shade on the crease a bit, and then all over my eyelid I used this pink color. So first I'll swatch first row, second row, and then we'll continue. So the first row swatches looks like this. This is the second row swatches. All the colors look pigmented, soft, blendable. The mattes are pretty good. The shimmers are pretty. The last row swatches looks like this. So this is a 12 pan eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then follow me on Instagram and watch my IGTV video. The next product that we received in this box is LS Flash Cosmetics Lip Gloss. The product itself looks very nice. The color is not for me, that's sure, but the packaging is very nice. The rose gold cap with a pink stone on it. It looks very bougie. It comes with a doe foot applicator. It's very nice because you can do all the pointed outer corner, you can line it properly. So I like this kind of doe foot applicator. I can't use completely that on my lips, but what I do is I put on matte lipstick if I am using, and at the center I'll just pat it. There's no stickiness. It's very comfortable on your lips and it's perfect for summer. So basically for the month of June 2019, we received 5 full-size products in our Tribe Beauty box. What I feel about all the products, I enjoyed using all the products. The brushes I'm not so sure. The round angle blending brush, it's written BK17 round angle blender. This brush, I didn't find it to be so soft for what I'm used to. I'm normally used to using more softer brushes for my eye makeup. So this one I didn't find it to be that soft. Other than that, rest of the brushes, this brush, BK39, this fluffy brush is really nice, it's smooth. So except this brush, I enjoyed all the other products. The facial oil, it's a very nice addition to my skincare, I can say that, because I never tend for facial oils because of my misconception and my take on facial oils for oily skin, but that's not correct. Facial oils are good for oily skin, and especially if you are having any dry oil like this one, it is very nice. For today my makeup, I use the facial oil and I use the moisturizer as primer. I didn't apply any other primer. I felt it was more than enough, these 2 products. So I like these products. And about the lip gloss, it's not my color, but I would love to use it on darker matte lipsticks. And the eye palette, I really love movie red toned eyeshadow palettes. I tend to gravitate more towards them. So the City Limits IBY Beauty eyeshadow palette is a very nice addition to my collection. I really liked it. They are pigmented, they blend very well. There's no muddiness or there's not much of fallout. So what I can say about this month's Tribe Beauty box is I really enjoyed using all the products, and thank you for putting on such a great box. The next box will get in August. So I'm waiting for August right now. See what I'll get, what other items we'll receive in the August box. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed Tribe Beauty box, and if you enjoyed any of these products and you want to grab your hands on that, then don't forget to use my link. You'll get a 10% off. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.